Welcome to solverfy.
All right, for this question, we start with a point, x, y, and we're told that the polar coordinates for that point are r and theta. And it wants to know a few things about a few other points. The first point is the point minus x, y. It has the same height and the opposite left-right. And it wants to know what the polar coordinates of that are. And hopefully if we look at these as right triangles, we'll see that the height in both cases, or the y value of both cases, are the same. And the x value in both cases are the same. And so therefore, the length of the polar coordinate needs to also be r, because the other dimensions are the same. The angle, if we're looking just at that angle right there, that would be theta. However, since we're putting our angles in terms of the positive x-axis, our polar coordinates for that point is going to be r and 180 degrees minus theta. And so that's going to be the polar coordinates for minus x and y. The next point they're interested in is minus 2x and minus 2y. And that's going to be over here. It's going to have twice the x value, twice the y value. And using similar triangles, we should know that the distance is 2r. Again, this angle here should be theta, and so that polar coordinates is going to be 2r and 180 degrees plus theta as the polar coordinates for that point. And the final one is 3x. 1, 2, 3x will be out here, and minus 3y. And so it's going to be down in this direction. Okay, and very similar to the other ones, our x value is multiplied by 3, our y value is multiplied by 3, and so the distance is just going to be 3r. That theta right there is the same angle that we've used. And so we can either look at this as 360 degrees minus that angle, or we can say that the polar coordinates are 3r and minus theta. Either that or 360 minus theta is acceptable. And that is how you do that problem. Thank you.